Hey guys, welcome to question MM393 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So in this question we've got a potato chip company which is looking to expand into the popcorn market. They believe that between 80 and 92% of their customers who like chips will also like popcorn. If 150 customers are surveyed to find out, what level of confidence can the company have about their estimate? Alright, awesome. So immediately when we hear these words confidence and we've got a range of confidences, that's when we're dealing with stats. Okay, so immediately we need to recognize that we're going to be dealing with confidence intervals. So straight away we can tell that our confidence interval is 80 to 90%. That's what this is saying, because they're 80 to 92% confident. They believe that between 80 and 92% of their customers will like popcorn. Changing this to a decimal, which is always good to do, we have 0.80 to 0.92, and that's our confidence interval, right? Now, we also know that a confidence interval is given by p hat minus z, p hat 1 minus p hat over n, p hat plus z, p hat 1 minus p hat over n. Awesome. Now, because of this, these two things correspond to each other, right? Which means that 0.80 is equal to this side and 0.92 is equal to this side, right? So we can actually say that 0.80 is equal to p hat minus z outside of root p1 minus p hat over n. Okay, so what we're actually looking for is this z value, okay? Because we're looking for the level of confidence that the company has about their estimate, right? So what determines its confidence level is this z value. At a 95% confidence interval, this z value is equal to 1.96, right? So that's what determines that confidence interval. So p hat is our proportion, which is always halfway between our confidence interval, all right? So our p hat is 0.86 because it's halfway between 0.8 and 0.92. So 0.80 equals 0.86 minus z, we don't know what that is yet because we're trying to find that, outside of square root of, again, 0.86 is our p hat, 1 minus 0.86 over n, which is 150, because we know that 150 people were surveyed. Now, chucking this into our CAS, we can see that z is equal to 2.12. So solve for z, and you'll get 2.12. Now what this means is, on a normal distribution table, a graph, that means that between negative 2.12 and 2.12, that's our level of confidence, right? So if this area was equal to, actually, a good example is our 1.96. So whenever we have a z value of 1.96, what that means is we've got a 95% confidence interval. So between the z values of negative 1.96 and 1.96, this area is 95%, or 0.95, okay? So that's what that means when we deal with confidence intervals. So in this case, we know that the area between negative 2.12 and 2.12 is going to be our confidence interval, all right? Or our confidence level percentage, right? So all we need to do to find this out is go into our normal CDF and say lower equals negative 2.12, upper equals 2.12, mean equals 0, standard deviation equals 1, and what that pops out is 0.9658, which is 0.97, and so our level of confidence is 97%, giving us our answer of D. So guys, D is our final answer. Just making sure you can see that, awesome. So D is our final answer, and that's it. So I know this is a bit complex. We just need to find this Z value, and then basically have lower and upper limits based on that Z value, and then find the area based on that. So guys, let me know if you have any questions about it, but otherwise, that's it for MM393. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.